This is my Wurlitzer electric piano and it's one of my favourite instruments that I play. It's a songwriting machine, but this summer I've been away, so turned it back on, I'm greeted by some new noises. Now this is quite scary. These are rare machines and can be very expensive to work on and repair. So let's open it up and hope it's something we can solve. I removed the clamshell case and then the RF shield. And this is what the distortion sounds like when I play. This is really quite heavy, although it's a little warm and I like it, but we can't have it all the time. So, if you're working on a machine like this, do be careful. There's electricity stored inside the capacitors, so make sure it's safe to do so. And the first thing we're going to look at is the amplifier board. Now we've got two fuses on here, and interestingly, these are meant to be the same fuses, and these are two clear different designs. So this kind of tells that previously someone has replaced one of these. So if we use a multimeter, we can check the continuity. And the first fuse seems to work fine. And that second fuse, that's where the issue is, or at least part of the issue. What caused this fuse to go? That could be quite interesting. So we're going to put a new fuse in and hopefully that solves the problem and there's not something else that's actually triggered this. So I'll put a new fuse in, but now we've got a new type of distortion. It's this really high pitched background distortion. It's so annoying. Once more, this is scary. I'm thinking, am I going to need a new amp? Is there an expensive repair bill? But while playing around, I discovered that if I press this key gently, the sound goes away. So this shows that the problem is to do with probably dust at this key, bridging between the reed and the comb. So once more, be careful, this is high voltages, but we can kind of remove that dust by a vacuum in it or just blowing it away. So after a little bit of fear, I've now got my piano back.